Yes. Now students, today I am going to explain divisibility concept. Firstly, I will explain what is the meaning of divisible. What is the meaning of divisibility? Listen carefully everyone. Firstly, I am going to explain what is the meaning of divisibility. What is the meaning of divisibility? Divisibility is nothing but when we divide one number by the another number, the result is the whole number. Listen carefully, everyone. What is the meaning of divisibility? When we divide one number by another number, the result is the whole number is called divisibility. It is called divisibility or divisible. Understood, everyone? What is the meaning of divisible? When we divide one number by another number, the result is whole number is called divisible. Understood? Everyone keep heading left side. Divisible. Left side keep heading everyone. Divisible. Divisible means divisible means divisible means when we divide when we divide when we divide one number by one number by another, the result is the result is divisible means when we divide one number by another number, the result is yeah. Divisible means when we divide one number by another, the result is the result is a whole number. What is the meaning of divisible? Divisible means when we divide one number by another number, the result is a whole number. Now listen carefully students. What is the meaning of result is a whole number? Listen carefully everyone. Suppose, don't write, listen carefully. If I am writing 12 divided by 3, 12 divided by 3, what answer will come? 4. This is whole number. Next, 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Result is whole number. This is the meaning of result is a whole number. Understood everyone? Now keep adding divisibility tests. Divisibility tests. Divisibility tests. An understanding of the test and understanding of the tests of divisibility is very helpful is very helpful in finding the factors of given numbers, is very helpful in finding the factors of a given number. Yeah. What is divisibility test? An understanding of the tests of divisibility is very helpful in finding the factors of a given number. Means with the help of divisibility test, we can find factors very easily. Now, first key fading, divisibility rule of 2. Divisibility rule of 2. Divisibility rule of 2. Divisibility rule of 2. All students stop writing. Concentrate here. How to check the number is divisible by 2? How to check the number is divisible by 2? A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Or we can say, if, how to check this number is divisible by 2? If once a place a digit is coming even number, then we can say that number is divisible by 2. Listen carefully. Don't write. Listen carefully, everyone. What is the rule of what is the rule of 2? Divisibility rule of 2 is saying if once a place a digit is coming either to 0, 4, 6, 8. Suppose I have written first digit. Don't write 12. Once a place a digit is 2, then I can say yes, this number is divisible by 2. 20. If once a place a digit is 0, divisible by 2. If once a place a digit is 4, divisible by 2. If once a place a digit is 6, divisible by 2. If once a place digit is 8, divisible by 2. Now tell me students, 41 is divisible by 2? No. Why? Because once a place the digit is 1. 1 is odd number. That's why this number is not divisible by 2. Now everyone note down concept. A number is divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 Yeah, note down everyone. Divisibility rule of 2. A number is divisible by 2 a number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is if its last digit is that is 0 comma 2 comma 4 comma 6 or 8. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Example, first example I am writing, students concentrate here. Yeah, suppose I have written digit here 24 comma 8760 comma 9736 comma 4287. Now I want to check which number is divisible by 2. First digit is divisible by 2. Yes or no? Yes. Why? Because 4 is present on which place? Ones place. Divisible by 2. Divisible by 2? Yes. 0 is present. Divisible by 2. Divisible by 2? Yes. 6 is present. Divisible by 2? No. 7 is odd number. Here I have given a clear picture how to check this number is divisible by 2 if last digit or once place digit is coming either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 8, but here digit is coming 7. That's why 4287 is not divisible by 2. Note down everyone. Example, next, divisibility rule of 3. Divisibility rule of 3. All students concentrate here. Stop writing everyone. How to check the given number is divisible by 3? Very easy concept. The sum of all digit is a multiple of 3. The sum of all digit is a multiple of 3. Then I can say that number is divisible by 3. What is the meaning of multiple of 3? Concentrate everyone here. Stop writing everyone. Listen carefully. Suppose I have written one digit here. Yeah, I have written one digit here, 132. I want to check this digit is divisible by 3 or not. What concept I have told? Sum of all digit is a multiple of 3. Then I can say, yes, this number is divisible by 3. Then sum of all digit. First digit is 1, second is 3, and third is 2. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6. Now, 6 is the multiple of 3. Yes. Then I can say this number is divisible by 3. Second example I am writing. Concentrate, don't write. 540. I want to check this digit is divisible by 3 or not. How to check? The sum of all digits is the multiple of 3. Then 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4 plus 0. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 0, 9. Yes. 9 is a multiple of 3. Yes. 3 3 is a 9. This number also divisible by 3. One more example I am writing. 5, 4, 3. 5 plus 4 plus 3. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 is a multiple of 3. Yes, 3 fours are 12. Understood, students? Very easy concept. How to check this number is divisible by 3 or not? The sum of all digit is a multiple of 3. Then I can say this digit is divisible by 3. Note down definition, everyone. A number is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of if the sum of its digit if the sum of its digit is a multiple of 3. Example, first example I am writing, student. First example I have taken here. $252. I want to check this number is divisible by 3 or not. How to check? Sum of all digit. 2 plus 5 plus 2. Answer is what? 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. Yes. Second example. $84,120. I want to check this number is divisible by 3 or not. How to check? The sum of all digit 8 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 is a multiple of 3. Yes, 3 fives are 15. Divisible by 3. Third example. Yeah, 541. I want to check this digit is the multiple of divisible by 3 or not. I will check 5 plus 4 plus 1. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 is the multiple of 3. No. 3 threes are 9. It is not coming whole number. This is not divisible by 3. Are you getting my point, student? Right. Next key fading. Divisibility rule of 4. Divisibility rule of 4. Keep fighting everyone. Divisibility rule of 4. Yeah. This rule is saying all students stop writing, concentrate here. Stop writing everyone. Yeah. How to check the given number is divisible by 4 or not? Listen carefully. Whatever digit they have given, if I want to check that number is divisible by 4 or not, then I will check last digit. Last two digit is divisible by 4 or not. Suppose I have written here 424. I want to check this digit is divisible by 4 or not. Then I will check last two digit. Last two digit is 24. 24 is divisible by 4. 4 6 24 divided by 4. Yes. The whole number is coming. Means now this 424 is divisible by 4. Second example, concentrate here. Don't write, listen. Yeah. 384. I want to check this digit is divisible by 4 or not. Again, which digit will check? Last two digit. Last two digit is what? 84. 84 means again I will check 84 is divisible by 4 or not. Yes. 4 2 is 8 and 4 1 is 4. Yes, 21 is coming divisible by 4. Means whatever digit they have given, if I want to check that number is divisible by 4 or not, then I will check last two digit. Last two digit is divisible by 4 or not. Now down everyone, definition. A number is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed if the number formed by the last two digit by the last two digits of the number is divisible by 4. Example, First example I am writing, students, 324. I want to check this digit is divisible by 4 or not. How to check? I will check which digit? Last two digits. Last two digits are 2 and 4. Now 24 divisible by 4. Yes, this number is divisible by 4. Second example, 112, 112. Again, which place will check? Last two digit. Last two digit is 12. 12 is divisible by 4. Yes, 12 by 4 is equal to 3. Third example, last two digit is what? 41. 41 is divisible by 41 divisible by 4? No. When we'll divide 41 divide by 4, result will not come whole number. That's why this number is not divisible by 4. Next, divisibility rule of 5. Divisibility rule of 5. Divisibility rule of 5. Yeah, concentrate everyone. Stop writing. All students stop writing. Yeah, concentrate everyone here. How to check the given number is divisible by 5? Listen carefully. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is either 0 or 5. Listen carefully. How to check the given number is divisible by 5? A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 5 or 0. Listen carefully. Suppose I have written example 30. I have written example 30. In this digit, last digit is 0, divisible by 5. Last digit is 5, divisible by 5. Last digit is 7. This number is not divisible by 5. How to check the given number is divisible by 5? If, if the last digit is 0 or 5. Means if once a place a digit is coming either 0 or 5, then I can say that number is divisible by 5. Are you getting my point, students? Note down, everyone. A number is divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 5 a number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is If the last digit is 0 or 5, this is not O, this is 0, 0 or 5. Example, first example I am writing 350. Last digit is 5, divisible by 5. Second example, last digit is 7. This digit is not divisible by 5. Third example, last digit is 5, divisible by 5. Note down everyone.